When we take a custom build, one of the big advantages is we're able to deliver a unique solution to the customer based on needs for their individual business segment, their actual application, and what process the truck will be used in. Is it a need to work in a small aisle? Is it a need to have a very narrow, very long carriage custom truck for a heat treat furnace or other application? It truly depends on the application, and we start from what the customer need is every time. What makes the PDX series special is we have a sort of standard unit for base capacity, but we have the ability to go through and customize almost every aspect of the truck. We can touch the straddle length, straddle width, carriage size, carriage type, carriage width, mast height, hydraulic settings, performance, even the battery box, and really component by component could build almost a ground up new truck.
We will be able to build that custom truck, but the main core of the units are going to have common parts. It saves money, quicker build time, so these trucks all the way down the series are going to be sharing a lot of parts. We went through everything to see, should it be made here? Does it make more sense to make it on the outside? We manufacture the complete frame chassis to the PDX. We also manufacture the elevation system to the truck. A lot of the components that go into it would be coming from an outside vendor. Years ago, we would have done everything, every last piece, but we do the machining and the welding of a frame for all the sub-assemblies, from electrical to hydraulic, and then of course, painting a frame. Inspection, that is also something that's special, that takes a certain amount of talent because you got to have a keen eye for detail, obviously.
So for different trucks, we do have more of our off-the-shelf components, again, even at lower volumes, valves, motors, things like that. But truck by truck, we also work with a wide assortment of machining shops, fabrication facilities, custom design, stamped tooled parts. My group would complete a detailed drawing of the part we need and then work with our purchasing group to quote that part out, as well as working with the vendors through the production process to make sure we can ensure the quality, lead time, and meet the customer's expectations for some of the more complex attachments and other custom fabricated parts as well. I would say for the vendors of all our custom parts, we're very close to 100% based US for sourcing, and probably another 60 to 80% of that local to the Wisconsin area or the Midwest.
We're seeing double-digit growth yearly. We continue to grow. We're going strong. We're shipping trucks out the door daily. It's been a really good feeling. You add to your local economy. I've seen where some of our vendors now are actually growing, adding employees to their factories or job shops because of all the business Big Lift has provided them, which is great because we're all keeping it in a local economy, small world kind of thing here, which enables them to hire more employees, give more jobs to local community members, and that's a good feeling as well. You're ordering raw steel, you're machining or fabricating, then going to go to our assembly line where our employees assemble the unit. After assembly, it's going to go down to our quality department. Every one of our units goes through a pretty rigorous inspection sheet, making sure it passes all things we've set for our standards as a good quality product. And from there, it's shipping and it's out the door to our customer.
The PDX 50 is really the next step up in our lineup. It gives us bigger capacity, the ability to run higher flow attachments. It's really going to be a stepping stone into a new segment of the market for us, for the higher need customers, and also allows for even more customization based on the performance levels we can get out of the truck. I would view it as the kind of gateway, if you will, to even bigger trucks, more custom trucks in the future.
There are so many little things that go into building custom trucks like the PDX for our customers. But our favorite around here is probably that little sticker that says, "Made in the USA."